and then it should be recording. You can get as close as you want. Fine. Like that. Yeah, just keep going. And I'm gonna try and
You know, there is a chair over here that you're welcome to sit on. Are you sure? It's like right here.
go ahead and play.
Clean her face up. A cruddy face.
Oh, she's doo-dooing, huh?
I don't think so.
I don't think so?
She's like, this is uncomfortable.
Okay. I'll bring you back. I'll hold you, okay? Real nice.
I'm gonna get you hand sanitizer so you don't have to